Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to make the custom ringtones on an iPhone. So if you want to make a custom ringtones on an iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to make the custom ringtone on iPhone, you can use iTunes or the music app in the Mac, or also create and sync the ringtone. So now to do it, you can download the other app from App Store. So you may also download the app called GarageBand for the direct ringtone creation on iPhone. So you may download the GarageBand, and if you have already downloaded it, that's good. And you may click on the option of new project on the GarageBand, and you may click on the option of plus and choose audio recorder, and you may choose the song of your choice, and you may import it from there, and you may simply choose add your ringtone. Now you may also use iTunes or music app on your laptop, and you may also set the custom ringtones from there. So if you are using iTunes on your Windows and music app on the Mac, then you may select the song you want to turn to ringtone, and you can easily turn into ringtone from the laptop. So by doing all of it, and another option is by using a third-party app for more variety. So there are various apps available in the App Store that allows you to create a custom ringtones directly on your iPhone. So you may also download the third-party app from the App Store, and you may simply customize your ringtone on the iPhone. So that's it. That's how you can customize the ringtones on iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.